What's good, YouTube? Had a bit of shit going on behind the scenes, so yeah, this is just a bit of an update video. Sorry it's taken a while for me to make this video, but I've been super busy, as you guys are about to see. As you guys probably know by the title of this video, Jess and I bought our first house, so I'm going to do a quick walk around, show you guys what I've been up to. I think Jess took some videos of the progress that we've been making as well, so that'll be cool. Yeah, I'm going to start off right now. Entranceway, right here. I'm still in the process of painting, but I feel kind of bad not getting a video out, so just gonna do a quick tour, slap this thing together and show you everything. So, lounge, painted everything, fixed a few holes in the walls and stuff like that. The ceilings, ripped the fireplace out, was over there. Got our furniture in here. Got the kitchen over here and the dining room, which is still full of all the paint stuff. And then we head back down this way. It's only a little house, but hey, gotta start somewhere. Got the laundry, all the frames and stuff with this varnish and the doors. So I've been going through and painting them white just to make it a little bit more modern. Then we have the bathroom. We need to do something about this ASAP. And about there, so if you guys like this videos, maybe we'll do some house mods. This is Jess's makeup room, second room, got all the clothes and stuff. This is our bedroom and the wardrobe. It's nothing too interesting just yet. And then the spare room, potentially gonna have a flatmate, but not sure yet. But yeah, a few more things, so we'll go outside. So here's the outside. Obviously, fireplace. It's the house, nice little deck. Good outdoor area. And then, yeah, might put a barbecue in there or something. Hang out with the boys. And obviously, the most important bit. Make sure I get this. garage. So this isn't a huge space at the moment, but it is 2-car garage. Just need to go through and organize everything. It has quite a high ceiling pitch, so hopefully we'll put some storage up there, get everything up, get everything on the walls, get the toolbox situated, so that way I can continue to film some car content and finish getting this thing ready for Woundfest, which is in like a month I think now. So I need to get this painted, need to get it looking good. But yeah, I'll put together all the clips now of us walking through the house before we paint it and where we're up to now. And then maybe once I've finished putting all that stuff in and everything's painted, we'll do like a quick overlay video on a separate thing. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Sorry I haven't been putting out any content, but get back to it soon. See ya.